Welcome back to Wooden Shoot Motorsports. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, so we decided to give you a little bit of a shop update. So we've been pretty busy at the shop. I know I just got done refurbing a Duramax for one of our buddies. We've got a couple other Duramaxes in the lineup for some projects coming up here in the near future. Currently we're waiting on the twins to get out of the machine shop. Probably be the end of March before we see those, but as those start going back together, we'll update you on all that as well. In the meantime, I get to start working on this bad boy. What we have here is a 1972 K10 all original 4 on the floor with a 205 transfer case. So the truck's been sitting for a while. Definitely needs an engine overhaul, and the fuel pump leaks more fuel than it actually puts into the carburetor. Anyways, the owner wants to get it running decent and be able to drive it down the road, because this thing's going to go live the rest of its life up at their mountain property. This truck was so nice back in the day, it even had the factory AC option. It's got a nice little small block in it, so it shouldn't be too bad. We also need to go through and do brakes, go through the axle seals. Pretty much everything that's got oil in it is leaking. At least we know there's oil in it. But surprisingly enough, I don't know how long this thing sat, but when I did go pick it up, we put a battery in it and it fired right up. Now, Nick has been working on the 46 Chevy and that 56 Chevy.
And I promise you, this is a 57. Yes, this is a 56 grill, but you try finding a unicorn, let alone a polished unicorn.
Or actually 57, stand corrected. Both those projects are moving along nicely. We're waiting on some parts to start finishing those, and we got to do some inspections on the engine on the 46 just to verify if it was actually rebuilt like the previous owner said. So as you can see, we have a lot going on. We wanted to keep you guys updated because we haven't put a video out for a little while. We got a lot more to come. I know we're trying to knock out about 3 or 4 projects all at the same time. So there should be a lot more content and video coming here in the near future. All right, last video of the evening. Got the grill out, all the supports. Got the cowl off. At the point now where I got to start vacuuming a bunch of stuff because there are rats' nests everywhere in this truck. Get all that stuff sucked out and take care of everything in here. That way I can continue disassembly. Man, this moisture there is not good for my mustache.